Alongside the release of the Z6 III, Nikon released a brand new cloud service that's meant to enhance and simplify your experience using a Z camera. Nikon Imaging Cloud has three main features that are designed to add more color to your life as a photographer. However, before you start using the cloud, you'll need to connect your camera to it. To begin this process, head to the Imaging Cloud section of your camera and enable it. If this is your first time using this feature on your camera, you'll see a QR code prompting you to sign up. Scan the QR code and choose your country of residence. In my case, that's Canada. Once that's complete, you'll be brought to the home page for the Imaging Cloud. Now, you'll need to sign up or sign in if you already have an account. Once you've created an account or signed in, you'll see the option to connect the camera. Click this button. You'll need to follow the steps on this screen. If you continue through the Imaging Cloud portion on your Z camera, you'll get to the option Connect to the Nikon Imaging Cloud. Connect your Wi-Fi connection, and once completed, enter the access code from the Nikon Imaging Cloud website into the camera. You should now see a Readying to Connect to Cloud box with a progress bar. Once that is complete, you'll see another QR code to scan. When you do, you'll get a web page asking you to connect or to not connect to the Nikon Imaging Cloud. Hit Connect. With that complete, you've successfully connected your camera to the Imaging Cloud. In the next video in this series, you'll learn how to set up and use the image transfer function in the Imaging Cloud.